everyone, this is Preeti. We are here with another question of data handling. Exercise 3.2, page number 68, question number 3. The weight in the kgs of 15 students of a class are 38, 42, 35, 37, 45, 50, 32, 43, 43, 40, 36, 38, 43, 38 and 47. Here two parts are, first one is find the mode and the median of the data, and the second one is there more than one mode. So first we'll arrange them in the ascending order. So the first one is 32, then 35, 36, 37, 38 is 3 times. Now 40, 42 and 43 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. Now after 43, 45 and then 47. Now we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. One data is missing. The next one is 15. So we arrange them in the ascending order. Now we'll find out mode. Mode is the most frequent data. Now 38 is 3 times and 43 is also 3 times. So there are 2 modes. So we'll write 38 and 43. Now we'll have to find out median. Now for the median, n is equal to 15, that is odd number. So the formula is 1 by 2 n plus 1th term. So 1 by 2, 15 plus 1, 1 by 2, 15 plus 1 is 16, 2 8s are 16, that is the 8th term. So we'll find the 8th term, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the 8th term is 40. So median is equal to 40. Now the next question is there more than one mode? So we'll write here, yes, there are 2 modes, that is 38 and 43. This is the question number 3. Question number 4, find the mode and the median of the data. So we have to find out mode and the median of the given data. So first we'll have to arrange them in ascending order. Now for arranging ascending order, the first one number is 12, that is 2 times, then 13, 2 times, and then 14, 3 times, 1, 2 and 3, then 16 and then 19. So we arrange them. Now we'll have to find the mode. Mode is the most frequent number. So the most frequent number is 14, 3 times. So we'll write 14, mode is equal to 14. Now we'll have to find out median. So median, now for median, n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. N is equal to 9. So the formula is 1 by 2 n plus 1th term. Now 1 by 2 n plus 1, that is 9 plus 1. Now 1 by 2 multiply by 10, 9 plus 1 is 10, 2 5s are 10. So the median is 5th term, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 5th term is 14. Median is equal to 14. This is the question number 4. Question number 5, tell whether the statement is true or false. So we have to find that these statements are true or false. Start with the part 1. The mode is always one of the number in a data. So this is true. The mode is the most frequent number in the given data. So we'll write here true. Because mode is most frequent number in given data. Now the part 2, the mean is one of the number in the data. So this is false. The mean may be or may not be same as given data. Now the part 3, the median is always one of the number in our data. So this statement is true because median is the mid value of the given data. Now the data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13 and 9 has mean is equal to 9. So we'll have to find out mean. Mean is equal to sum of all observations. So we'll add them 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13 and 9. And the number of observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we'll sum them. So we add them. So we'll get the number 64 divided by 8. Now 8 is the 64. So the mean is equal to 8. And in the given question, the mean is 9. So the statement is false. So we'll write here false. The mean of given data is 8. This is the question number 5. With this one, we have completed exercise 3.2. In the next video, we are going to start with the exercise 3.3.